It is what it is. So today, excuse the unmade bed and the blanket there, that's to stop Max going under the mattress and under the bed and then crying halfway through the night because he can't get back out again. Today I'm going to a pumpkin patch. I know we've been here before because I put a pumpkin patch vlog up at the beginning of October, but I'm going to another one. I'm going to visit one with Holly. We're going to find some pumpkins. Fingers crossed it's not really muddy. I can't remember if it's rained over the last few days, but I'm wearing flares that are slightly too long for me. So I'm hoping that I can wear my big chunky boots, in which case I won't get mud on my jeans, but also I don't want to destroy those shoes and cover them with mud. So not that anyone cares about that. That's just something I needed to get off of my chest. I'll show you some Max basking in the sun now. Oh God, oh my God. He was alarmed because I almost dropped my phone. So his eyes are very wide. Hey bud, what are you doing? Yeah. So we're driving to the pumpkin patch and yeah. We're driving on this and it's very stressful. We're on the path whilst we're driving. Holly may or may not hit them. I think she's undecided. There's a baby as well. This is not going to end well if they don't.
What's annoying is they can see there's a car.
Yeah, they can see, they're just choosing to ignore the fact that we're behind them. The baby's looking, the baby knows. He's like, yeah, I know, I'm in the way. Do you see the pig? Oh. Hey. I know, why is he just...
I guess it isn't fun.
He's just all alone. You okay?
Wake up.
Come on, monkey.
So we're currently in the pumpkin patch. I found an oddly shaped pumpkin. Liv wanted to roll around in the mud. And my hands are filthy. So classic pumpkin patch vibes. That's very windy. Why there's so many like this. It makes me uncomfortable. They look like they've given birth.
I think we should guess how much they're going to charge me for this.
I don't think that's even on the price list.
No.
The ones that are that small.
But
we'll see. Yeah, they'll try and squeeze as much out of you as they possibly can. Are you a tiny pumpkin? Are you a tiny pumpkin? Are you a tiny pumpkin? So we've got, well, Holly got some tiny pumpkins and there's another tiny pumpkin right here.
Who's a tiny pumpkin?
You a tiny pumpkin? Look at your tiny pumpkin.
That's yours. You're going to try and eat that.
Where's the light? There's another one.
Not in your mouth.
Okay. Well, that was the end of that. That was fun. Crazy hair for a crazy day. Christmas is arriving. So, we are in which shopping centre is it?
We're in Westfield Shopping Centre and we just found like a load of food places.
We're in the food court and we're waiting for our bao buns from Master Bao. Bao bao.
We'll share the chicken one and the
Sounds good. I'm excited.
Do you want to put that? Make use of that.
Yeah. This is maybe the tree theme we're going to go for this year. Maybe an angel on the top, who knows?
You know your mum
In the queue for Russie Howie. It looks like I'm wearing a sweaty vest. Okay, I feel like this will do. So today is the 4th of November and we are going to my local firework display. Woo! We go every year, well I go every year, pretty much. I think I've had a few years where I haven't gone. When I was a kid, me and my mum would go with a few friends and we'd stand outside. My mum refused to pay for tickets. It was this whole thing. This one time it got cancelled and no one got a refund and it was a big hoo-ha. So we used to go and stand outside and watch them and get chips, and it's a thing that me and my mum always loved to do. But ever since I became a teenager and adult, I've bought tickets and gone to the display, usually with my friends, and then since me and Zaid became a couple, then we would go together. So we're going, really excited. We went last year. I don't know if we went the year before actually. We're going, I'm very excited. So we're going to stop off to my sister's to get some wellies because I don't own any and it's going to be very muddy, and then we're going to go. And the kids display's just started. I can hear the fireworks outside. I hope Max is okay. It's his first year experiencing fireworks, so we're going to leave some cat music on while we're gone on the TV very loudly to keep him calm and peaceful, and let him roam the house and hide wherever he wants if he does get scared, but hopefully he won't really hear them, and he doesn't seem to be alarmed really by noises, and we have had a few fireworks over the last few days and he hasn't seemed bothered. I'm sure he'll be fine. This is my hat that I wear every year, and I'm very excited. I love this time of year so much. It makes me so happy, so I'm in a really good mood. Okay, bye.
Try checking something in the bin in it.
We're just walking to...
You can't see it.
I know, you can see the side of my face. We're walking to the firework display.
Right?
Oh, you can see me now.
Right?
I'm huge. Not yet, no, the next one. Yeah, we're walking to the firework display.
See the fire from there.
Oh wow. Oh wow, let's see if we can see it. The fire, the big flame.
I'll hold you to get his leg.
Thanks. Yay, we're here. We are in the queue for burgers and fries. My fave.
Fries. One, do you want the pink one?
What?
The little pink one looks cute.
Yeah, but I want the big one ideally.
I know.
Zaid thinks he'd be better off at hooker dark than darts, but I'm all in for darts. We don't know. Oh my god, I almost fell over. Jesus Christ.
0. Keep Come on.
A 2?
Yeah, go for it.
Hang on, hang on. Oh, you got one.
Yeah, I've got one.
Oh, he's
sorry.
gone. Get him, the green one.
One.
I'm growing tired of this game.
Let's say 1,
I was looking
3.
for a flight. I can't see. Maybe get him.
Yeah.
Yeah?
What was that?
Not too far gone.
Get back here. Go on. Go on. You get back here. You.
I know, it's not okay.
You get back here. You.
Dave's got his eyes on the black duck. Nothing will stand between him and the duck. The moon's big and bright.
Big moon.
The big moon. And we're done.
Big names. Try chucking something in the bin and it implodes.
That's all of the footage from the bonfire night. So I think I'm going to leave the video here. I hope you enjoyed. That was my pumpkin patch, London, Christmas browsing and bonfire night vlog.
And vasectomy.
Yeah. Okay. Zaid, what is your review on the bonfire experience?
My review on the bonfire experience.
2 years in a row you've been to this one, haven't you?
Mm-hmm. Best one I've ever seen. The foam party was incredible.
Yeah, the guy, there was a foam party. I don't know what that was. He was like, who wants more foam? Put your hands in the air. And I don't know if anyone did.
He was asking who wants Wes's foam.
Is that what he said?
I'm assuming Wes is the guy doing the foam
Well, I
thing.
would assume so.
And all the teenagers were like, yeah, well, Wes is spraying his foam.
Spritzing his foam left, right and centre.
Who wants Wes's foam?
Yeah, it got a bit weird. So we went home.
Seriously ridiculous.
I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what your favourite thing is at this time of year. Is it Christmas? Is it Halloween? Or is it bonfire night? Or is it all three? I hope you've all had a lovely autumn, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the most wonderful time of the year, where I'm going to be doing various festive things. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a holly jolly Christmas.
Hey Max, that's
Peace
my
out.
ginger beer.
Oh.